How's it going, everyone? Nick at MarineMax, Cross Lake here. Today we are looking at a brand new 2026 Barletta Lusso 23 UC. This boat features the Ultra Lounger in the back, which we'll go over in just a second. But the biggest changes occurred in 2026 at the helm. We've got dual Simrad screens with a RGB light. You get an elevated feel at the helm with those upgrades. As we move towards the back of the boat, we have our lounger here, which is very easy to maneuver back and forth. You can do double back seating on both sides. So whether you're rear facing or forward facing, you're going to be very comfortable in this boat. This boat has a 250 Verado engine, so plenty of get up and go, especially out of the hole with that 8-cylinder. At the helm as well, we've also got the digital throttle and shift with active trim. Takes a lot of the guesswork for managing that trim as you get into higher speeds and higher RPMs. This boat features the Carmela tan interior with the charcoal accents, giving it a very nice warm and luxurious feel. This boat also features the lily pad mounting system, so we can have a grill, a flagpole, or a diving board, which seems to be the most popular option on this boat. Likewise, if you don't want to have any of those, there's a nice filler screw system that makes that deck nice and flush so you don't stub your toe or catch yourself on anything. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com or stop at our Cross Lake location or our Nismo location and check out all the Barletta Lussos that you can want to see.